How many times have you started a new backend project? In PMKNet, install Mongoose, install Express, install .env, create the same folder structure, set up authentication again and again and again. If you are a Node.js developer, you have probably repeated this process dozens of times. So I thought, why not automate it? That's why I built Norix, a CLI tool that generates a production-ready Node.js backend project in just few seconds. Instead of wasting time on repetitive setup, you can start building your actual project immediately. Using it is super simple. Just open your terminal and run npx create Norix and the project name. The CLI will ask you a few questions. Answer them, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Your backend project is ready. Let's open the project. You will notice that everything is already organized. The dependencies are already installed. The folder structure is ready. Environment variables are configured. That means registration, login, password reset, JWT authentication, and everything you usually spend the first few hours building. Now you can focus on your business logic instead of boilerplate code. If you try Norix, I would really appreciate your feedback. Tell me what you like, what can be improved, and what should be added next. Thank you.